Welcome back to A Minute with Miranda. It has definitely been a minute or two or three or four. So today we're going to talk about labeling your workstations and or the product that you're using. So you want to use symbols like this at workstations where you don't want people who are not grounded and or using a smock touching the product. And then also, obviously we've talked about the protective pack stuff. These are what protect your board when you're grounded or not, when you take them out of the lab. So this one has a label like this crossed out. No, we don't want to do this, okay? This one has an arch, or which I like to think about as like a rainbow going over, like, oh, this is good, and you don't want to open this box until you are grounded and or, you know, in a safe area to do it. So those are your symbols that are, I think, probably the most important ones that you want to pay attention to when you are working in an ESD safe area and your lab. So stay grounded, make sure you label your stuff, it's important.